Welcome back, everybody. We're on lesson 13, mini project animation. So this is gonna be a pretty simple one, as you can already see when you ran the first one already. Give you a nice little text, give a little, again, a song, well, it's a joke. You have somebody that's floating up to the top. We're gonna create the same thing, so let's go ahead and jump into it and get it done. All right, so the first thing they want us to do is they want you to sketch whatever you want to do out. Now, if you're in a classroom, do it for your teacher. Let's just be smart. And after that, go to the next one. So after this, let's look at what we're doing. So the first thing I want you to do is obviously have a background. This one I'm gonna do a little different because, well, we can just do the regular background. Let's keep it simple. All right, let's just, I don't know, just go green. I personally don't like these backgrounds, but you might like these backgrounds. And for the sake of you passing, let's just do this background. All right, boom, we got our background. All right. After that, they want us to go ahead and add your sprites into this equation. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to use this comment. It's gonna be like a life-changing experience. So let's go ahead. We did this before on our other one already. Let's just keep it simple. Now, if your teacher wants you to actually write the right one, just write the right one. Let's go add our animations. Faces. Do we have people? No, let's go back. Let's just keep it simple because I don't want this video to be too long. Boom. The weird people. All right, boom. That's good. All right, we got 2 animations. Sweet. A is going to be Alien 1. B is going to be Alien 2. All right, so let's get them. Perfect. A couple things right quick. Let's go ahead and adjust their properties. So we're going to do this later on. Get our scale going. And we're going to put them in the location we want to. So scale 0.5, like we learned in another lesson. That's going to like put it at a smaller one. I know they don't got one for B. Let's go ahead and put that at 0.5. All right, boom, we got ours. Now the problem is they are in like random places. So let's take that one, put it at 100, and then take this one and just leave it at 300. And then I think we're good at this point. What y'all think? Boom. Huh, pretty decent. All right, next thing we want to do after we do that, hit finish. Let's get to the next part. We set everything we wanted to. We put them in the right location. Now they want us to go ahead and add a text. In this case right here, let's go ahead and get our functions. Let's put it in there. Get our text. A couple things you want to add to your text just to make sure, just to revisit. Make sure you go ahead and get that text size. Let's jack that up to about 40. We'll pretend they're having a party. And then let's put it in a really decent one right quick. One should start it here, and then let's drop it down to about 100. And so let's see what it looks like right now. Boom, party. That's a little interesting. Let's just put it at 140. What does it look like? Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, what we want to do at this point, give it a color. So get our fill tool. The reason why we're putting it up top, just in case you're just tuning into this, is because your code gonna read from the top and work its way down. So we're gonna say fill yellow, then change the size, and then print party. All right, so that's basically why we're doing it. So when we hit run, we'll do it. In the case you wasn't here before, when we put this in the bottom of it, it's not gonna really do anything for us. It's not gonna do anything. So just remember, it's gonna read from the top and work its way down. So right now we have our party. Nice. All right, next thing they want us to do at that point, these mini projects are really easy. That's why I'm gonna run through the whole thing for you. It says basically add movement to your sprite text or draw an object, include a random, basically a random movement, and after that include one type of counter pattern. Okay, cool, we can do that. All right, so what we're gonna do on this one is we're gonna do a little different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this guy spin and make this guy, Yeah, that'd be a counter pattern. We made this guy like dance. We'll have this guy spinning. So let's go ahead and do that right quick. So the first one we'll do is A. That's our first character. And we want him to, let's just have him spin. I mean, let's keep it simple. So boom, rotation. Let's name it. Now, one of the cool things about this is they don't have the velocity on this one. It's okay, fine, we'll do it. So we'll do, let's get our math. So we can have this thing rotate. All right, boom, A, and we want to give it a speed. So let's give it like, let's 5. All right, so this guy, he's jamming out. And then, oh, let's get this thing put in there just so it can start. Now, this is the only problem with the situation. Because we wanted, all right, so if we did another background, and I'm gonna show it to you on another, we won't have to do that because the background's gonna stick. And so, I don't wanna do this. Time purposes, I really don't want, I'll do it for this. So here's my background, right? I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like. Let's keep it Sprite. Let's go add our background right quick, find a random background. I'm gonna show you the difference of it so you can see how they work. All right, so we have our code. Let's take this background and let's just trash it for right now. All right. Oh, let's set the animation to abstract. And so it's gonna do it. So this was the other way we can do it. We can actually have a background I'm gonna leave this background just because it's really easy. No, I'll take it back out, just so I don't confuse nobody. But this is what the other alternative is. So we have a background that's already drawn on, and we'll be done with it. Or you can use the drawing from your toolbox, add that on there, and it will just make sure you put it in the loop, because if not, it needs to draw it over and over again. So let me throw that out for right now, because I just want y'all to see it. I never use this draw background. Some people love it, I don't. But teach his own. Keep it simple. So we're back where we're at. Now we need basically a movement. So we're gonna have our second little monster thing over here. Let's go ahead and just have it shake. We did this before on another one. So B, and we're gonna give him a random number between random X between all right, so his number is 300. So let's do 300 and then like 310. Just so we can have him look like he's doing something. He's over here, he's feeling it a little bit. Boom, and there we go. So we got one guy rotating, this guy over here going back and forth. Everybody's happy. And that's how simple it is. So we have our counter pattern, thank you, is just rotating it, right? Because those are the different ones we can do. We can do velocity, we can go X, we can go Y. And then obviously our random movement is we just chose X. We could have chose Y, we could have chose rotate. I mean, you can even do scale if you probably wanted to. But in this case, we have it going back and forth. I never tried scale. You should try scale. I'm not trying scale. All right, let's hit finish. What's the next thing they want us to do? And then, okay, cool. And so the last one, they just want to make sure whatever you have drawn or drew, they want you to look at it, see how you like it compared to it. Great activity, especially for those who have a visual piece that they wanted to draw and then to actually see that come alive. One thing you learn about this code.org is that you are able to make some of your visions come to life, which is super cool. All right, thank you for allowing me to serve you. Later days, be great.